Cowboy VVS, another educational video. Once again, I'm here in the VR. Full disclaimer: we only do our educational videos in the VR to demonstrate screen displays. Very simply, imagine this is my cell phone. Imagine this as my desktop view. These are just my notes so I can make sure that I stay on track. Once again, if you want to find out more videos on how to work the Cowboy VVS app, you want to make sure that you definitely follow us on YouTube so you know how to get around and through in the app. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to get started with a custom grill at Cowboy VVS. So we went over our products and we went over how to get started with Cbvvs customs. We went over how to get started with this, and the grills is literally the exact same thing. So grills are two ways to get started. So same thing goes here. So if you're on your phone and you're looking to just go ahead and get started with the grill appointment, what you want to do is come here, 25% off on your next grill. Go scroll down, you see the calendar, you see the prices, and you see the calendar. So notice that all grills, even if it's majority of grills are always going to be over $350 to $450, unless it's a smaller grill. And a lot of times, if you got like three teeth and it wasn't, if you got 2-3 teeth and you got silver with no diamonds, or you got one small tooth for whatever reason, the cap, we wouldn't do a one tooth, probably wouldn't do a silver two tooth neither, but you should understand what I'm saying. Basically, all of them are over a certain amount. So no matter what, the grill appointment is a small deposit. It just goes towards your order. So I think at the current time of this video, in order to book on the grill calendar, there's a fee. It might not be a fee when I'm going over it on this video, but when you go through it, there might be a fee. It'll explain what the fee is, but this is no different from actually setting up the virtual consultation calendar. This is just actually an appointment, so you want to physically show up to this so we can get the mold for your grill. We'll also have a do-it-yourself grill video coming soon on how to do your grill yourself and everything like that. So let's see here. So boom, pick the day that you would like to come in to do the grill, pick the time, and fill out the grill information. So where you want to do the mold at, just pick a location. And here, if it's a mobile, don't worry about that. We'll take that off because we have mobile, but we come to you to do the grill, but we're still beta testing that. The first name, last name, email, phone number, general information, and then get the grill. So if you we'll add a picture of the grill that you want here, but basically it's going to set up the appointment for you to come get the mold. And while you're there, or immediately after you book the appointment, we'll send you a text message, and we'll get the specifications of the grill down pat. Your deposit is just going to go towards the final order, and then you come in and actually get the grill molded and stuff like that. So same thing with the app. Now that I'm thinking about it, the app is the same exact way. It should just take you to the calendar, but it might okay, I'll fix that. So basically I had the wrong link on the grill calendar right here, and I'm grateful I saw that too, so we can go ahead and fix that. But here it is right here, custom grill. So when you click it, I'm gonna have the actual right link on there, but it'll be the same page right here. Just getting here and filling this information out will allow you to send us a picture of it so that way we know exactly what type of grill you're wanting to get. And this is how you get started. Once again, the appointment calendar will have a small deposit on it. It'll be a couple $100. No matter what, even if your grill is $20,000, the deposit will still be the same. If you're getting all your teeth at the top, all your teeth at the bottom, natural diamonds, 18 karat gold on the grill, that deposit is still just going towards the grill. Once again, once you click this link, you'll be sent a text message. I'll have a field on here for you to add your photo in the future, a photo of the grill that you would like. So this automatically gets sent to us, and we will go ahead and begin getting started. The first step is you actually coming to get the mold so we can get started with the actual grilling process. And of course, that deposit that came through, so say for instance, if the deposit was $300 and the grill was $2,500, then you pay the remaining of the deposit when you get the mold, when you get your teeth done at the appointment, and then you pay the rest of the deposit. You pay the rest of the invoice once we complete the grill and show you that it's done properly and everything is correct on it. Cowboy VVS, once again, how to get started with grills. I'm going to move this one if I can. They ain't showing me no love. But how to get started with custom grills at Cbvvs. Looks like we covered up everything here, and I will see y'all in the next video. Let's win.